Hello again. The cold weather will persist through the weekend, slowly turning a little milder as we go into next week. But for the time being, the cold weather persists, as does the ice potential. So we do have Met Office yellow warnings in place to cover today and parts of tomorrow for ice, and also today in some places some snow continues to fall. Parts of northern England through into the Midlands and Wales in this zone here. It is petering out and turning more to rain and sleet, certainly at low levels, but still a few more flurries to come, especially over the hills. Much of the south dry and cloudy and cold, some thick fog in places as well. Further north, brighter skies, some sunshine and largely dry, but it is cold wherever you are. Temperatures really struggling. 1, 2, 3, maybe 5 or 6 in the far southwest. But if you're stuck under the cloud, and particularly with the mist and the fog over parts of the heart of England, temperatures struggling to get above freezing. So it's a cold day, and it will be a very cold night tonight. Still through the evening, potential for some slippery conditions with showers of sleet and snow continuing over the Midlands and Wales, and some trickling down towards the southwest as well. But they're likely to see mist and fog thickening up again over parts of the Midlands, southern England and South Wales during the night. Further north, it is largely dry and clear, and that's where we're going to see the lowest temperatures. More cloud and some patchy rain trickling into the extreme northwest, so that will actually keep the temperatures up here perhaps, but elsewhere, look at that, -4, -5 in towns and cities across Northern Ireland and southern Scotland. Rural spots, negative double digits, maybe as low as -10 even through Northern Ireland, and across Northern England in the countryside, -5 to -8. So into the weekend, it starts very cold. We'll start to see a change in the far northwest, thicker cloud and some rain here with a bit of hill snow. For most, it's a dry day on Saturday, but across parts of the south, it's going to be misty and murky, and for some, that fog could stick around all day. And again, if it does, temperatures are not going to get above freezing. It's slowly turning milder as that wet weather trickles into northern Scotland with some rain, especially over the Highlands, and obviously some snow on the tops of the hills. But the highest temperatures likely over the northern and the western Isles, 7 or 8 degrees. Elsewhere, despite some good spells of sunshine over North Wales, northern England, we're only looking at highs of 3 or 4 Celsius. And further south, 2, 3, 4 at best. That's if the fog clears. Again, if the fog sticks, it's going to stay close to freezing all day. Through Saturday evening, not a great deal of change. We'll see a bit more of this patchy rain just trickling perhaps down towards the central belt of Scotland. Will continue to edge its way southwards as we go into Sunday. It's tied into this weather front, linking back to another set of weather fronts that just slowly topple in during Sunday. This warm front will introduce very slowly slightly milder air during Sunday, particularly across the northwest, but also with the milder air there will be rain. That milder air melting the snow that's fallen, so that's something we need to keep an eye on. It will also be turning windier across northern Britain on Sunday. A lot of cloud generally, some breaks in the cloud across the south, so some brighter skies here, but again it is going to feel pretty cold, even though those weather fronts are slowly introducing milder air. With a lot of cloud around, temperatures starting at or below freezing, highs of 4 to 7 Celsius will still feel pretty chilly, even though they're just creeping up a little bit as we go into the first part of next week. Plenty going on then. Make sure you stay up to date with the latest Met Office weather warnings. Best way to do that, through our app, through our website, or of course follow us on social media.